Oh, very better.
Jesus. The fire is still burning. Touch their heart, teach them, touch their heart, teach them.
So you think you can make money? Hi guys, today I'm in Nanyuki and I've come here to camp. I'm camping alone, but later alone there is a group that is coming soon and they are coming to camp too. They will have fun, they will have music, and they will have their chef cooking for them, you know. It will be so amazing. So guys, I have already set up my tent over there. That is where I'm going to sleep tonight. And the beauty part of the whole thing is that I will be camping next to the river. That is my tent over here. This is a big river here. This is where I'm going to camp tonight.
What's this in Shante?